So if everything is going well for you until now, then we will start and go deep and we will create together your profile on our platform today. So for that, I'll put again the QR code that you can join the website either through your browser on your computer, but you can also use your phone. So feel free to just scan the QR code with your phone and join directly. And then together we'll start creating the profile step by step. Okay, let's go on the website. So when you arrive on the website, you can see directly that we have a button that says register today. So this is what we will do. So you can click on this button, register today. Here it will take you to the first step. So in order to start selling on our platform, we will simply need you to put an email address and to choose a password. So let me use our email address. And let me select a password. So the password, it must contain at least 8 characters and one number, one lowercase letter, and one uppercase letter. So make sure you have all of those 4 requirements. This is in order to make your password really secure and so that you don't have any issue on our platform. So once you put the email address to which you have access and a password, you can click on register. This will take you to this page. So in order also for us to be sure that you have access to your email address and that we can contact you there, we need you to verify your email address. So for that, you just have to click on the link we sent you. So for that, you go into your Gmail or Yahoo account, you log in with your Gmail or Yahoo credential, and you click on the mail you received. So let's do that together. So you open your Gmail account and it should be the last mail you received. It should be called no reply, confirm your email. Thank you for registering to the business matchmaking tool. Please confirm your account by clicking here. If you don't see it on the top of your inbox, you can also look for it in the spam. So for that, you can click on this more arrow and click on spam and maybe it will arrive here. It can take a few minutes for the email to arrive in your inbox, depending on your connectivity, but just wait for a few minutes, maybe reload the page, wait again, and it should hopefully arrive in your inbox correctly. So once you see it, you can simply click on it, and then you can click on the link that is here. When you click on the link, it will take you to the confirm your email page. It will say, thank you for confirming your email, and then you will be directly taken to the login page. If you're not directly taken to the login page, you can also simply click. There's a link on the previous page that will take you there directly. So here we will put the email address and the password that we created just before. So I will put again my email address. And the password I chose before. So you should use the password that you created, the one with the 8 characters, one number, one uppercase, and one lowercase letter. Once this is done, you can simply click on Login. Then in order to go forward, you have to accept the terms of conditions of the website. So you click on yes. And this will take you to our platform. So we will create a profile together. First, please tell us about yourself. So here you should put your first name and last name. So I will take again the example of the Ghana business in coconut oil, so I can reuse all the prompts that I use that I created in ChatGPT and the logo in Adobe Express. So for the first name, I will put again Kwame, and last name Ado. Once this is done, you can click on continue. And then you have to put more information about your business. So here you can put, for example, your business name first. So my business name was Coastal Essence Oil. Then you can use the drop-down list to select where your business is located. So in my example, my business was located in Ghana. So I will simply select Ghana. And then I will specify in which region. So I will say that I am in Accra. And then finally, I can put my role in the business. So let's say that I am the CEO of the business. Once you enter all the information about your business, you can click on continue. Last thing, we will need more information about your business in order for the next step to verify it. So those information, you can fill it in. It will be very helpful for us to know how to improve and in which direction to improve our platform. So if your business is formally registered, you can simply click on the tick, and then you can put your registration number, same for export license, and if you're a member. Okay, so I hope you were now able to follow us until there. And I will now click on send application. And it says thank you and congratulations, you are now registered and you can complete your professional profile. So now you can see a first version of your business page. So here you have at first the business name that you put, and below you can add the slogan that you created in ChatGPT. So in ChatGPT, I had the slogan, purely natural, purely Ghanaian. So I can write that. And then I click on the small tick in order to save my change. And you can see that it's automatically changed. We can add the logo. So for that, we can click on replace and choose a file. And then you can simply adjust your frame and click on save when you're satisfied. Then you can select the sector in which you are active. So for that, again, you can scroll to the sector list and find the one that represents your business more. Here, for example, I will select the beauty and wellness product and click on the tick. Below, we will put the business foundation year. So for example, let's say that my business was founded in 2005. And the number of employees, let's say I'm a small business and I have 2 employees. Below, we can add a product description, a business description. So again, we can go back to what ChatGPT has proposed to us, and we can simply type it in here. So again, once we are done, we can simply click on the row and this will make the business description appear. Once we are done with our business information, we can add the contact information. So for that, we can click on the small pen and we will edit our profile. So you can add a picture of yourself or of the manager of the firm. For that, again, you simply click on replace. You choose a file, and here we can select the picture of our Kwame Ado, for example. You can slide the thing because we have to adapt to our square format again. And you can click on save. There you have the name, so Kwame Ado, that's correct. The role, CEO, still correct. If you want, you can add a phone for contact. So let's add a fake phone number for now. And the email. So here you can leave the email that you use for the subscription, but if you want, you can also use a different email. So for example, if you have a professional email, you can use it. So let's say that we have a professional Gmail account, and we can use it here. Again, we click on the small tick to save, and our changes are now saved into the platform, and we can see that our team has grown. If you want, you can add more employee. So let's say that we have one employee since we are 2 in the firm. So we can upload her picture. Again, we crop it so we see her face perfectly. And we can add a name and her role. So let's say that she's in communication, for example. And if we want to put, we can put phone and email, but if we don't want to put any contact information, we can also simply say that she's working in our business, but there's no way to contact her. So we can save again and she pops in our team. We will be able to add directions to our business. So for example, here we said that we're in Accra, Ghana, but if we want to be a bit more precise, we can add an address a bit more detailed here. And finally, below, in more about the seller, you can put your website or social media account. So first for the website, let's say that if you have a website, you can write it here. And same if you have social media, you can simply write the name of your username on those social media just after the tag. So if you have, for example, let's say an Instagram account, then you can write your username here. And this will connect automatically your profile on your social media. And you can click on the tick to save. So for now, we already have a nice business profile. And we can add our products now in order for our products to be shown on the website. So for that, we can click on Manage Product Listing. This will take you to this page where you can click on Add a new product or service. And this will take you to a draft product page. So here you can select a sector or subsector. Since I'm in the beauty sector, I can select one of the subsector in this generic sector. And then I can put a price. So I can write the value here. I can choose the currency. So let's say in Ghana. And I can write any unit I want. So let's say I want to sell my coconut oil in liter. Then I can simply write liter here and click on save. Again, here is where we can add the product picture that we edited with CapCut. For that, we can simply click on replace. Again, we choose a file from our computer, so choose file. And again, we can crop and adjust as needed. Once we are satisfied, we can click on Save. And last but not least, we can write a product description. And here again, we can use the one that we generated with ChatGPT. And when we are done, again, we simply click on the tick. And now this is done. I didn't change the name of the product. So now I was unable to publish it. And before publishing, you have a small list of what you need to change if you're not able to publish. So here, for example, I must change the name. So the name of my product is coconut oil. And once this is done, then you will be able to publish. So once you're done and your product page looks nice, you can click on publish. And then if you go back to the home page, you will be able to see your product. And now I can already see that the homepage changed since the live demo. So thank you all. We can see that you created very nice products and they are now showcased on our website. So this is it for the live demo of the creation of the profile. I hope you were all able to follow. And if you are not finished yet, then you can go back to your profile and improve it later.